Oh, look, a boat. Look, George wants to buy it.
I probably do.
Is it for sale? Look, George wants to find out.
Back up and look on, man.
Oh, look, she's chilling still. Shit.
Can't even see what she looks like. She's turning around.
Could be a little butterface. Oh my god, look at her. I love the hair.
Hi.
How you doing? This wouldn't happen to be a mental hospital, would it?
Huh?
I'm looking for the mental hospital.
I have no idea where there is one.
Like psychiatric ward. I got a guy in here that thinks he's a fucking Crocodile Dundee.
Did you try Googling it?
No, I guess that's probably the better thing to do, huh? What? Is this just a normal hospital, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Good luck.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
She's cute. She's not even. What is she doing? Do you need help or anything? You wouldn't happen to like. You don't need help or something, right? Is your car broken down or?
Good. I'm right here. Right over here.
No, you actually.
The old one? That old gray thing?
No, it's the Mercedes over there.
Ah, fuck. We're fucked. Seriously?
Yeah.
Ah, we're screwed. There's no way this girl's gonna even.
It's my
I thought you
husband's
said
car,
more.
though.
Oh, it's your husband's? Ah, that's what we thought. Ah, that's what we thought. So listen, I don't mean to. Do you got? I'm sorry, I don't want to bug you, but do you got 10 minutes? I wanna ask you something.
Okay. You wanna? About what though?
Well, we're doing a like interview blog on the internet.
I think we should be all right.
Good. I do blogs. We talk about basically we're doing a story on women in healthcare in the industry.
Okay.
So we just wanted to know, do you mind if I interview you and ask you some questions?
Healthcare.
You're obviously dressed in.
I'm sorry, the scrubs and the hospital.
I know, I was only messing with you. Don't worry about it.
Okay. So
What else? Great.
yeah, I mean,
I kind of have to go though. There'll be somebody else coming through the parking lot that I'm sure will be happy.
well, that might get kind of creepy if I just like circle the parking lot waiting for women.
Because you're not creepy now.
No, not at all. No, this is just by chance.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go.
No,
but
come
I
here.
really appreciate it.
No, look, but you'd be a man. I'd love to interview you. You got nice eyes,
So, thank you.
and
I'll
the
talk to
blue
you
scrub
later.
goes really. I could offer money because we time, 50, 100, $100.
You are persistent.
Look, I got it.
Man, she saw $100 and she was like, "Wait, what?"
No, I don't want your money though. What did you want to like talk about?
No, I'm willing to pay you for the time. It's totally, it's cool. It's for the internet. It's a blog.
30 minutes.
What do they call it? Vlogs? Video blog?
Vlogs.
Vlog.
Is there
It's
like
for
a
vlog.
company or something that you work with?
It's a startup.
We just started it.
We just started right now.
Okay.
No, we started
All right.
yesterday.
I just want to
just stay here and do it because I'd feel comfortable if we just kind of
standing in front of your Mercedes.
Yeah.
I can go around and park somewhere in the parking lot. I'm in the middle of the street.
Let's see here. Well, honestly, because it might even rain, and the audio is
Yeah.
better in the van.
Okay.
I don't know if you'd be
We
willing
leave
to.
the door open. Leave the door open in the van. I might hang out in there, but I don't know.
Look, open the door for her. Open the door. Don't be
You
scared
have a
by
mental
the.
patient back there.
Yeah, the mental
And you
patient.
want me to come in?
Look, take a look. See, it's
Well, you
nothing.
can meet the mental patient.
Meet the mental patient. Maybe you could help us evaluate his mental stability.
Come on. It's all right.
It's all right.
Yeah, there's nothing
Guys,
wrong in here.
this guy's wearing
There's somebody
sunglasses.
trying to get by you.
This guy's wearing sunglasses in the van. It's dark in here.
I'm a cowboy hat, but hey.
Hey, get what happened? It's all good.
Oh, jeez.
Look, $100. Come
I
on,
just got yelled at.
20 minutes.
All right. But I don't want you guys to leave the property, okay? Because I really would
Yes,
not
ma'am.
be okay with that.
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
Just turn around and park right over there.
We'll just turn around. We're just gonna drive a little bit. Turn around.
Hey, come on in here. Sit down with the crazy guy with the sunglasses over here.
Great selling.
We're just kidding. He's